learn. He might learn.
All right, ready? Let me see him. Look at his head go. That was cute.
You're right,
Go get the ball. Get the ball.
Oh, good boy.
Drop.
Good boy.
Good boy. Oh,
Good boy.
Eva, dogs just need praise. They need
They're like-
positive reinforcement.
Like Noni was just telling me outside about men. It's the same thing.
Dogs, yeah, they're like puppies.
Hey, we don't know your name.
Boy.
His name's Louie.
Louie. Louie. Let me see you. Let me get a good picture of you.
His name's not Wash.
Ball there.
Aw, Aunt Erin got you a ball.
Yeah, but
That was
don't
your
let him
first
get
present.
A piece of it, he'll get poisoned.
What am I?
He's not gonna get a piece
Am I
of
his cousin?
Aaron, don't let him.
Oh, he's
Oh, yeah.
thirsty.
I thought he was just have milk.
There's no.
Yes, that's the whole reason.
Let's see your face, Louie.
Let me give him half.
No.
Louie.
No, he just drank a ton of milk.
Oh, you can?
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Don't give him milk. Only in the bottle. You have to add water to it. Things gonna get sick. That's what you have to do with puppies.
We have to wean
Louie!
in.
Aw. Ew.
Hey, bye, Louie. You're
Don't
done.
That's me.
No, I know. I just turned the video off, though. Oh, no, I didn't.
It's not allowed over there.
Don't chew my foot.
Look.
Let me get a good picture. Try and get him to hold still. Hold him, Ava. Louie! Psst, psst. Oh, see, I'm so used to cats.
He's gonna bump.
A picture.
I did.
From down there, down lower.
I did. It's videoing, too, for some reason, too.